On the 23rd of April 2025, farmers, agripreneurs, and financial institutions came together at the Manzini Library for the Access to Agribusiness Funding Seminar, hosted by Swati Fresh in collaboration with BBMC, CFI, EADF, and Eswatini Bank.
Farmers are calling good day funding. We have a lot of even graduates like labanye labafundzele yona le-agriculture. Now siyababuta ukuthi why are they not starting agricultural projects bakutshela ukuthi inkinga yi-funding. So ngiyo le inspiration yokuthi shothi ase si-confront-e le issue lekungiyona kubukeka ngazuthi isivimbile kwekuthi singakhoni ukuproducer lelo kufanele singabe siyakhicita as a country.
I wanted to find out more about financial products that are offered to eMaswati, especially in the agribusiness space or just in agriculture.
I'm a student at UNESO, Eluyeng. This is stock trade. And I
wanted to understand more about the funding agriculture. How am I going to handle it? How am I gonna use the money profitably? I'm raising my prolaz rough estimate 7,000 to 8,000 per month. Exporter plus in the layers, but for now I'm 300 layers because I'm still new in the business. So due to the demand from my market from Mozambique, that's why I decided to call layers.
My interest in the seminar was, as an aspiring farmer, I was interested in knowing how one can access funding, and also the interest was in understanding the challenges that farmers are currently facing, and also playing in the consultancy space and having interacted with a lot of businesses and understanding what their challenges are with penetrating the market. It was also just to shed a bit of light when it comes to issues of standardization on how businesses can incorporate standards in the beginning of setting up their businesses so that they do not have to find themselves fighting these hurdles and not being able to penetrate the market because of certain barriers that they are facing with regards to trade.
Graduates, farmers, for purposes let them start production farmers struggle. We do have a lot of people into agribusiness. So
well, I haven't tried to access the funding personally, but I work with other women and the youth and other farmers who have said the requirements are just too many for them. There is no difference from what they are used to compared to what this fund is offering.
To be honest, funding, I was just using my pocket because I've just resigned from work. Decided to start my own things, so it will be my first time to apply for a business loan.
To be honest, I have not tried to access funding in the country. I have been using my head to generate money.
Organization for Balimbel Multi-Purpose Cooperative. So we have started a project under the cooperative Swati Fresh. Swati Fresh is a store lapho farmers angaletha produce khona. But we are hoping ukuthi masinyane sitawukhona kuvulwa.
My challenges ngingawafisa ukuqala nje kusuka emphakathini. Phula ukuthi batali banetinkinga nalabo labasemphakathini bese nathi siya-affecteka nakufuneka titembu temphakathi yabo. Because most of labafundako bafuna ukuthi kube netembu temphakathi. So phula ukuthi boshifu noma lapho timvuna nangabe bekunetinkinga letikhona emakhaya bese awusokuba likhona lokuphula lesitemu.
I can encourage eMaswati, especially the youth. We are lacking information. We don't want to use the internet profitably because everything is on the internet, and on the seminars we don't want to go and attend because there are more funds there. It's a matter of which category lo folisha kuyo and what do you want to do about that. But mostly I can encourage nje ukuthi it's workable, it's doable. It's just that if umuntu akhuluma business plan, you think of something, oh, I can't do a business plan, but only to find out it's just a straightforward thing.
The information shared from the organizations that shared their presentation was quite valuable because I am looking into venturing into agriculture, especially aquaculture, which is what really brought me here because I've joined a group here, aquaculture, and having been in that, it's a project that I came across probably about 10 years ago when we first had the Taiwanese come into the country. And then it's coming back again, and I find myself in this group. And with the interest in aquaculture, I was interested in knowing how I can start in that business and how I can access funding. So I just wanted to get all that information on where the first place to start would be.
Le session namhlanje ngikuphole kakhulu ngilama processes. Lo ikakhulu ukuthi na ubhale business plan kufuna ngifake in nani. Naloku yala kuthaneni kufuna ngisebenzisane nabo bani because uthola ukuthi le tempo siyatendela asiba involve kakhulu abo extension office.
I found out that there is a possibility that we can collaborate and make the best out of this fund because, you know, not everything is gloomy about it. It's a brilliant initiative, and we like to applaud government for coming out with this wonderful funding mechanism. But I still think that as farmers or aspiring farmers, we can make valuable contributions towards making sure the lives of the people of Eswatini improve and for us to be able to be self-sufficient.
We were very surprised with the turn-up. We were not expecting ukuthi abantu bangaba baningi kangaka, but lokho kusikhombisa naloko ama-weather conditions bekangavumi litulu lina and all that, but abantu befikile kusikhombisa ukuthi bamvuvele Nkosi yami bayafisa lokusebenta and kungenteka vele kube le funding ngiyo lebavimbile lokusho ukuthi mhlambe kukhona vele ema-strides lekufuneka ukuthi siwende ekuthenini bamvuvele bagcine bakhona lokuyi-accessa le mali kumbe kukhona nathi vele lichaza lefuna sidlale kwekuthi vele Lenvo igcine i-friendly, lama funds lesinawo in the country agcine a-friendly to the farmer, akhona vele ukuthi agcine asitakele ngendlela afuna sitakale ngayo. So that is what I learned.
My advice would be that I think it is time for us Emaswati to be economically emancipated. So you will never know what is available for you to actually go out there and do something and make a difference to your community. You actually associate yourself with the right people that are going to give you the right information.
Kungaba nje kubonga uhulumende Nkosi yami imitamo la yendawo ukutama kufufukisa amaswati. Phinde futhi ke ngicela laba lasebenta lama funds ukuthi manele lamana coinsana lama rates lama interest mane angakhuphuka kakhulu because senbe siya EADF nje na ukukhuluma nga 9% ngiva ngathi sosetulu awukhuluma nga 9% per annum bese kuba ukuthi ngigcugcutele bamvu labasha ukuthi bakungenele ukufuna kulima noma kuqalela ama business abo since la kangwane semancane emafuba emisebenzi.
Okay, mina ngatibongela because I was invited by a friend. Ngajoina the page, register, and lengakusho nje ukuthi I'm very much happy to come here because the boka kuthi ngisoke Mananga, but I've managed to come to Manzini. It's raining, but I've gained a lot, and I will be stand up. I think I will be the first one, good youth, to get the fund. So I'm still pushing forward because my future plan is to produce 15,000 broilers and have 10,000 layers.
It would be so great if we had more of such sessions. I got to hear about the session in a WhatsApp group. It would be so good if we got more Swazi is exposed to knowledge, because most of the time we think the system is failing us, and yet the system is not failing us, but we don't place ourselves in places where we can get the right knowledge to get ourselves to the next phase. So if we could focus more on raising awareness so that people are more aware, because you can tell from the audience that a lot of people are facing a lot of difficulties because they do not get access to certain knowledge that will help them to get their businesses further in life. So if we could just have more awareness raising on such forums, I think that could really benefit the Swazi nation. Thank you.